how to become emotionless in trading and what helped me become emotionless in trading. First of all, you don't risk too much, and this is when it comes to our first rule. Downsize your trading risk. So instead of risking $1,000, just try risking, for example, 500 or 100, and this is when you will be able to tell how do you feel. What is very important in trading is to understand that we have to be emotionless, because if we are emotionless, that means that we can make better decisions. And this is when we can understand if we should hold the trade or not, if we should wait for the trade to hit our stop loss, or if we should take partials maybe a little bit early because something has changed. So this is very important. So first part, as I mentioned, is to downsize your trading risk. The second part is have a specific point of interest. And what do I mean by point of interest? Point of interest could be any specific price action or any specific target that you can see on the specific chart. You need to understand where the price might start doing the specific action, where it might reverse or where it might just start going up or down. So this is very important to understand your point of interest. The third one, have another source of income, which is very important. Don't make trading be your main source of income, because this is what is going to make you stress and you wouldn't be able to make clear decisions. And the mindset that you would like to have when it comes to trading is, when you experience a loss, you would like to treat this as a lesson and as a place when you can just come back to your trade and improve it. And when you experience a win, it's absolutely fantastic. You make some money, but you also would like to come back to it, review it, and understand what you did this time, so then you can apply the same steps the next time. So this is very important, because if you will make trading be your only one source of income, you wouldn't be able to have this mindset when you wouldn't really worry about the outcome. So what are the other sources of income that you can look at? First of all, keep your 9 to 5. You would like to have really big and nice savings that if you wouldn't be able to find something else for a year or 2 years, then you will be completely fine. This is what will still keep you in this good state of mind when you don't really worry about the outcome when it comes to trading. The next part, you can just have online business. So you can have another side hustle, and then you can basically just generate money by this online business. The next part, it could be investment. So you can invest money in different assets, which then create passive income. You can also invest in real estate and then rent the property, which also going to create your income. There are also plenty of other examples how you can create passive income or how you can create another source of income. And I will encourage you to explore this. The next one is, don't compare yourself to other traders. It's your unique journey, and make your journey special. So don't compare yourself to anyone else, but only the person you were yesterday. Look at yourself and compare yourself to the person you were a year ago. Can you see a difference? Because I'm pretty sure if you will stick to your strategy and if you will stick to your goals, you will become a completely different person. And this is where you will be able to enjoy the journey, because you will be able to see how much you grow. But if you will compare yourself to someone else, you are not going to enjoy it at all. Because it's not about other people, it's about you and about your journey. And the last part is practice, practice, practice. This is what will make you good at every single skill. So it doesn't matter how long it's going to take you and how long you will have to practice. What matters is if you will make it and if you will become better. So don't give up and practice, because you will have this point at some point when you will just go to the chart and you wouldn't be able to feel the emotions, because you have done this so many times that you know exactly the feelings that you are experiencing and they don't bother you anymore. You can just ignore them. Or you've seen the specific price action and you can say, oh, I've actually seen this before. I'm not worried about this anymore. And this is what you would like to do. You would like to practice as long as you will become emotionless and you don't really worry about the outcome. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, make sure to smash this like button, because this is what will help you understand if you really like this video or not. And as always, if you have any questions, make sure to post them down below. Thank you once again and happy trading.